Now who next? Because for this Nigeria, innocent blood don't cheap finish.
He no carry gun. He no do crime. But he no reach house that night.
One gunshot. Just one. And life finish like say it no mean anything.
Now him mama go first see am body cold, eyes still open. Them go still ask wetin he do.
As if say na crime to dey alive for Nigeria. As if say na offense to be young.
Today, na him. Tomorrow fit be your brother, or even you.
How many names we go remember? How many hashtags go trend before it stop?
This no be mistake again. This na pattern and silence na approval.
If them fit kill am, like say it be nothing, who next?